Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in a different location. I'm on a plane. I honestly don't know if I'm supposed to be looking here or there or at myself. I don't know. Hopefully that doesn't distract you guys. But I wanted to show you like how I get ready to look fresh-faced and just ready on a plane, which is kind of difficult sometimes. But if you're headed to a meeting and you just need to look fresh and ready, I'm going to show you guys how I do that on the plane and what my essentials are. Right now I'm on a trip with Mercier. We are headed to Newark, and then from there we're going to St. Tropez, and that's like our final destination. So excited about it. But I don't want to look like this when I get off the plane. This is how I came on. I mean, you know, I wanted to share some stuff with you guys also I can show you my little area where I'm sitting. Got some apple juice, water, and then I have like a little locker right here. Oh my god. This is where I have like my bag of makeup and skincare, scissors over on the other side. And I have you guys propped up on this little book, which works perfectly. Usually I come in with my face already washed, ready to go, and then I need to get ready quick. I brought all this stuff, my essentials, cute little travel size things for my makeup. And then on this side, I have like my face wash, which is this one right here from Tatcha. It's so cute and mini, it's so easy. And I have all like the Tylenols in here. I have hand sanitizer. Is that from another flight? Sure is. I have my Nurse Jimmy Desert Rose serum, which I absolutely love. All of Nurse Jamie's things, especially her serums. So first I'm gonna start with my brows because I need some help. Taking the Benefit Precise My Brow Pencil right here and just filling my brows really quick. I just got this in from Mercier. It's so beautiful. Do you see the packaging? Looks like some kind of stone. It smells like coconuts. Gosh, it smells so good. And the mirror is so large and in charge. I was watching a movie, but I was like, it's time to get off the plane in like a little bit, so I gotta get ready. This is my favorite brow pencil. See the difference? Ooh, she has no brows. I'm gonna take my Nurse Jamie Desert Rose Anti-Aging Oil. I love her serums. Take a little bit on my hand, you don't need that much. And you just tap it in. It's so hydrating. When you're on a plane, your skin gets so dry. These are snoring next to me. I hope you guys can't hear that. But your skin gets so dry, and my skin naturally is always dry, like super dry. I always tell you guys about it. And on the plane, it's like 1,000 times worse. So, got all over. Everywhere. So the next thing I'm going to do is put on this Glossier birthday balm dotcom. It's so good. It smells amazing. You guys are going to want to eat it if you end up buying this and trying it out yourself. So loud. Put on some brow gel, Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Next, I'm going to put on some concealer. So the concealer I brought is my Rugwell Ride or Die for 2019, and that's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer, the self-setting one in shade 30. Set that on. I have my beauty blender. It has not been wet. I'm gonna have to wet it. Take some water. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, honestly. I need like a bowl or something. Actually, this might work the way it is. I mean, I could have went to the restroom and did it there, but the germs. The amount of germs in the restroom is ridiculous. We're live. For my eyeshadow, I have this tiny little Nars eyeshadow palette. It's really tiny, and it has like warm neutral colors in it. Obviously, I did not bring an eyeshadow brush. I just realized that. But you know what? We can use our fingers. So I'm going to take this shade right here. For the lid, I'm going to take this color right here, pop it on. Just a little bit. Mascara. This is the Mercier mascara. It's so bomb. Fave. I'm going to let my lashes dry before I curl them. I have my eyelash color right here. Very fluffy. For my bronze, I'm going to take this Mercier Riviera Kissed Veil, and it's like a balmy bronzer. It's almost like a highlight almost. little bit of a color to it, so I'm going to put it on my cheeks. Gives you like a dewy glow. I like that. Actually, put this on your eyelids too. I totally forgot I have this, but I have this Mercier Mystic Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. So that right in the inner corners. That was really pretty. I thought it was going to be like really super crazy bright gold, like yellow gold, but it's very natural. We just got to curl the lashes and then we're pretty much done. But for the lips, I always bring this with me. And this is from YSL. To me, it's just like a chapstick, but it's a really fancy one. And it has a little heart in it. I'm trying to think of the name. I don't know, I can't see anything. And I'm going to put some of this on. It just gives me a little color. It smells good, and it also just hydrates your lips really well. So I love that. And then I'm going to put some color on. This is Laura Mercier lip pencil. It's called Soulful. It's the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. I really like to use the mask just to add shape to the lip. So I focus it like on the outer corners. Let's see what else we have here. I'm just like digging through my makeup bag, trying to see what else I have. I have this right here from Nars. Bullshit. Another lip gloss. Okay, now we're just putting on lip gloss to put on lip gloss. I just love lip gloss. We're just gonna keep putting on lip gloss. Next, we are going to put on some blush. We have this little cutie from Tarte. It is Blissful. It's a matte blush. Put a little bit on my eyelids to make sure everything looks like, you know, it's good. It's one piece. And that is pretty much it. So quick, but I'm gonna just curl my lashes really quick now that they're dry. This eyelash curler is amazing. And with this mascara, oh my god. This is from Sugar Rush, in case you guys are wondering. It's Tarte's sister brand, I think, the one that they created. So that's pretty much all I do. Forgot to do this, but I always keep like a roller ball of something that smells good in my bag. And I just put that on everywhere. But that's pretty much it. I need to clean up this area right here, but it's not that bad actually, so. That's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me on, I don't know where I'm looking right now. Looking at you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick, short, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.